Hello everyone, welcome to part 24 or Laravel 11 tutorial in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will continue working on the Laravel CRUD operation for CMS pages, and in this video we are going to integrate SweetAlert to jQuery library for delete. Okay, so in the last video we have seen that we have able to show all the CMS pages, and we able to do the current functionalities. We able to do that create, read, update, delete. Okay, so now a few of the things that we are going to do, integrating that SweetAlert. Okay, so I will explain you that what is SweetAlert exactly. So first go to the CMS pages, and so okay, so this is the CMS pages, and almost all the functionalities are complete. Delete functionality also we have done. I think we have done the delete functionality as well. Yes, we have done the delete functionality as well. And now we are going to see, right now we are deleting, like straight away if we will click on delete, the page gets deleted. But sometime the admin deletes by mistake, like, so there is a kind of the confirmation. We want the confirmation at the time of delete. There must be the confirmation, like, are you sure you want to delete? So that confirmation we can either do simply by just simple JavaScript alert. Okay, or by the SweetAlert to JavaScript library. So what is the difference? See, the difference is, this is the simple JavaScript alert, that is the browser spotted JavaScript alert that will just flash, like if you will do anything like the alert. Okay, this is kind of the alert that will just flash and will ask you that are you sure you want to delete, or you will say the yes or cancel. Okay, so that is the simple kind of JavaScript alert, and that is very easy to integrate. Okay, and there is no plugin involved. But this SweetAlert 2 is the third party plugin that is more attractive, that in which we can pass even more data. Okay, and that will look really good. Okay, so we must use these third parties plugins that are available, and we can easily merge it in our Laravel websites. So first of all, we are going to do it in a simple way, because we must at least know the simple way as well, because sometimes the client asks us to don't integrate any plugin and just do simply. Okay, so at that time these are really useful. So let's first do it in a simple way. Okay, so we will add one class, confirmDelete class, and that we are going to call one jQuery function. Okay, so I'm going to open the CMS pages blade file in which we are showing all the CMS pages. Okay, so here delete CMS page. So here I'm going to add this class by which we are going to, and I will also add this name as well as the title. So all these three things I'm going to add here. Okay, title is already there. Okay, so delete CMS page, so that is fine. I'm just going to place it other things, class as well as the name, title is there. Okay, so, and okay, so it's fine. So I'm going to add this jQuery function, confirmDelete jQuery function, in our custom.js file, and here at last I'm going to add this jQuery function here. Okay, so this function simply confirms, see, confirm the deletion of the CMS page. So on the basis of this confirmDelete class, you can see on the click of this confirmDelete class, this function will run, and it will simply get the name that we are passing from here, that is the CMS page. Okay, it will get here, and with the confirmation, are you sure to delete this, what will come in name, that is the CMS page. Are you sure you want to delete this CMS page? Okay, then if the admin clicks on yes, then it will delete. Otherwise, if the admin click on cancel, then it will not delete. Let's see, let's run this one and check whether it's working fine or not. Okay, I'm going to refresh it once, and we'll click on delete. Now I'm going to click on delete. Yes, it is asking, are you sure to delete the CMS page? If I will click on cancel, then it will not do anything. But if I will click on okay, then it's going to delete that. Okay, and you can see the delete functionality works, and its success. CMS page has been deleted successfully. Okay, so finally it deleted the CMS page. So now we are going to do it in a better way, and that is this SweetAlert 2. Okay, SweetAlert 2 jQuery library. We are going to integrate this library now. Okay, so this is the website of the SweetAlert 2. We are going to open this one, SweetAlert 2, that is available in the GitHub as well. You can search for the SweetAlert in Google as well, and you can see there are many websites are available for this particular thing. Okay, so we will simply open this one, SweetAlert2.github.io, and after this we will first check that we will first integrate its plugin. Okay, so for integrating its plugin, there is the command np install SweetAlert 2. So we are going to run this command. Okay, so I will run this command for my project. I will go to my zap folder, htdocs, and here this is my project. I will right click services, new terminal folder, and I'm going to run this command. Okay, if you are Windows, you know how to run the artisan commands and the composer commands to install packages. Okay, and this is something different, that is the npm install command that you can run. Okay, so see, npm is already installed in my system, so I able to install this. So if it is not installed npm, for npm you are required to install the node.js. Okay, so make sure that thing is installed at your end. Okay, so see what it is saying, that it may added the package, so we can test it once that it added or not. So for testing it, I'm going to show you that first we are going to add this js. Okay, we are going to add this js in our layout.blade.php file. So I'm going to add this one in our layout.blade.php file. I'm going to add this js here. I'm going to add. Okay, so after adding this js, we will add this check if this SweetAlert script is working. Okay, so we are going to check whether this script is working. So this script, I have followed this documentation and copy this one from here. Okay, there is nothing separate I am doing. Okay, I am just copy like this one. I can simply copy this one and will put just want to test, so I will just put it here somewhere. I'm going to put it here, and after that I'm going to do return false. It will not do anything, it will not do further execution, just to test that SweetAlert is working fine. Okay, so I'm going to just refresh and we click on delete to check whether that alert, that beautiful alert will come or not. Okay, so I will click on delete now and we'll see here, yes, it is working fine. The internet, that thing is still around, so it is working fine. The SweetAlert 2 that we have copied from here. Okay, so same thing is working in our website as well. So it means that SweetAlert has been installed properly, so that's why it is working perfectly. Okay, so now we can continue and see. Now there are a few things that we are going to add. We are going to add record as well as the record id attributes with the delete CMS page link. Okay, so because we want to make it dynamic, so that's why we are going to add this one. See, every time if we want to delete some module, we will add these two things, record and record id. Okay, in record that particular module will come, and in record id that particular module id will come. Okay, so I'm going to add these both things. Here you can see that record is CMS page and record id is page id. Okay, so I'm going to add these two things straight away after href. Okay, here it is. So see, this one is not required now anymore. I'm going to remove this one, href, this one, and will place this one. But for href I will add here JavaScript void. Okay, so that it will not go anywhere, it will just run from the jQuery function. Okay, so after this, now I am going to add this confirmation deletion with SweetAlert. This jQuery function I'm going to add I'm going to disable that jQuery function and we'll add this jQuery function instead of that. Okay, so I'm just going to comment this one and we'll add this jQuery function. And here you can see this is the function that is working on click event of the confirmDelete class that we have added there. And we get both things, record as well as the record id. In record we are getting the CMS pages, and in record id we'll get the page id, and both we are passing here. See that link, we are going to call that link admin delete link that we have moved from now CMS page. We have moved this link here and added this link here, okay, in response, and that will only happen if the user will click on yes delete it. Okay, so this is the confirm deletion with SweetAlert jQuery function that will work perfectly. Let's see if it work fine or not. Okay, so just refresh it, and now I'm going to click on this delete. Yes, that beautiful delete. Are you sure you want to be able to revert this? You won't be able to revert this. Yes, delete it, cancel. Okay, so see how beautiful this jQuery alert is. Okay, so that alert and this alert, you can see the difference. And if you will click on yes delete it, then it will going to delete. I will first click on cancel, it will not do anything. But if I will click on yes delete it, then it will delete this one, and it will also show you the message for few seconds that it has been deleted, so that you can also show that message. But here we will also show our own message, that is CMS page has been deleted successfully. Okay, so finally both CMS pages have been deleted, and we able to integrate this SweetAlert 2 in our Laravel e-commerce website that we are building with Laravel 11 as front end and MongoDB as backend. Okay, so this SweetAlert we able to integrate it, and you can check in the MongoDB as well. Now there must be no CMS pages. If you will go to the CMS page, you can see the CMS pages collection is now blank. There is no document at all. Okay, so I hope that it's very much clear to you. And now we will continue working with the another feature for our Laravel 11 in the next video. So please stay tuned for that, and please also subscribe the channel. If you have not subscribed yet, then please subscribe the channel for more updates, for more Laravel as well as the MongoDB updates. So this is the channel name, Stack Developers. So please subscribe the channel, and you can always join the channel to get the complete source code. Okay, to get the source code as well as the support, you can always join the channel, and please subscribe. You must at least subscribe, and you can also join if you want to get the source code and complete help, complete support. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.